Good morning, traders. So it's I don't know what it is. Was it Tuesday? Tuesday, the 18th of July. Just took a load of longs on cable. I've got one running still, and I closed the load out for quite a lot of pips. But we'll get into it. So this is my screenshot I've just posted in the Discord. So I added a load down here. Well, two positions down here in Frankfurt, London Open, which was at this single print area. I thought we'd get the pullback and then continuation. I've got the Midas VWAP on. So we've got the pullback in London. As you can see, back down towards VWAP, and then up we went again. So I added more positions there, and I closed out all of these and one of these up here, having swept this poor high on the current morning's developing profile and back at the order block in the Asia high there. Although I've got one running which I expect us to clear this poor high and up maybe as far as this value area. But I'll go into it all now. That's what the screenshot's like anyway. So let's get rid of that now. You can see. Right, so daily profile, I can see value area low. Sorry, my watch is beeping. Misses. Value area low, value area high. Asia, we grinded up there, as you can see. Got pullback in Frankfurt Open, and I'd highlighted this order block here, which is where we'd be rejecting from the prior day's value area low. Because I looked on the custom morning chart and could see this order block area here, I wasn't interested in taking a trade anywhere in the middle here. I thought it's going to be better pricing somewhere at the value area low area from the previous day for looking for longs. So then, as I say, I come into the morning chart and I could see this was a logical area here. I've got a bit of an excess tail here. This move up was created yesterday from this area. So that was going to be a valid order block for me. So we opened the custom morning chart. I did see some of our community in the Discord. They took shorts on there, which I did and ah about it, but I had in my head I wanted to get long today. So I kind of hesitated. And as you can see, then we pulled down into my area of interest, which was also for extra confluence. Can you see what I'm talking about on my candlestick chart for those that are using my charts? I've got my stacked imbalance there. And you can see my stacked imbalance study, and you can see that was printed out yesterday. So we came down, increase in volume, as you can see, into that stacked imbalance, filled the stacked imbalance, and straight away we then rejected, as you can see. So having seen this come down into that area, which was in alignment with my profiles, I had already a really strong confluence to be thinking about looking for longs from there. We can also see on the footprint the same situation. I can pull the footprint over from my other screen. Get it over here. I think I did have it on the 4 minute. Just change that to 4. Yeah, and I could see that massive increase in sell side in volume, massive increase in sell side delta, volume, sell side delta, that stacked imbalance to the pip, filled that stacked imbalance, rejection tail as aggressive sellers got absorbed by passive buyers. The buy limit orders were most likely sitting there. So buy limit orders got triggered. And then look, the delta flip to the buy side volume, buy side delta, and then off we went. So that's what the footprint looked like. We then also, while I'm on here, and I'll flick back, got that pullback, remember, in London Open, which was here. Got that pullback into VWAP. I had the Midas VWAP on as well. So at Midas, I figured that these investors were tracking their inventory along the Midas, pulled back into that VWAP as well, and hopefully we're going to trade higher now. So let me just get rid of that now. But down here, came up for London Open. Poor high was printing there, you can see. So I figured that was going to get took out. So we got that pullback in London Open, which was into VWAP, into the Midas, and then off we go up to the weekly deviation band extremes, having swept this poor high here, taking the liquidity and creating equal highs here. So that was the reason why I had to scale out all the rest of my positions, leaving just one running, which I'm hoping we will now come down and then up for continuation. If I get took out, so be it. Don't care. I've made quite a lot of money today. But that's what I'm thinking may happen. This would be a logical target, targeting at this point of control. We've got that poor high there. So that would be a logical area to target just above there, taking the liquidity, but also looking at the morning chart, you can see, hopefully you can see this, the logical area being, shit, a bit bigger, make that a bit smaller, sorry. But the logical area being taken out yesterday's highs in the morning and coming up into this significant high volume node there. And that yellow line tells me there's high delta in that area as well. But we will have here a poor low. So having swept that, we might see a rejection somewhere here before we get into this high volume node. We could go like that, or we might just go like that. But or we might just plummet from there and I've got it completely wrong on my remaining position. Not that I bothered anymore. But yeah, that's what could happen from now on. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm not going to probably trade anymore today now because I've done quite well this morning, and might have a little bit of a problem with my little doggy because yesterday he decided he'd eat out of the bin a load of chicken wing bones I put in there. So he's had 6 of them yesterday, a little resty, and I'm a little bit worried. Had to ring the vets, and I'm not quite sure how he's going to get these little chicken bones out of him, if you know what I mean. So I might have to go to the vets shortly. So I might not be online or trading anymore today. But anyway, none of that's your business anyway. But I just thought I'd share that with you. So if I don't reply to any messages, you know why. I'm busy. With all that said, I'm going to get out of here and have a good day trading, guys. And I'll catch you probably tomorrow. Right, nice one. Over and out.